Why do goats have eyes that look so strange? Rectangular pupils in a sideways range. But that weird look, man, that's their pride. They see the world almost 360 degrees wide. Every shadow, every move inside, predators creeping, they're ready to fight. Weird eyes, wide eyes, nature made them wise. Cheat codes hidden in those rectangular eyes. High on the hills or the bright sunshine, those goat eyes shine like a secret design. Climbing up cliffs where the brave don't go. The pupils rotate to stay level, yo. Head tilts left, but the vision stays true. Keeps them steady with a mountain view. Step by step where the rocks get steep, those odd eyes guard what the goats must keep. Weird eyes, wide eyes, nature made them wise. Cheat codes hidden in those rectangular eyes. Terrain gets rough, but they don't lose line. That steady sight keeps the balance fine. Bright daylight, no, they never get blinded. Light control keeps their focus aligned. And down on the ground where the threats might be, depth perception locked, sharp as can be. Weird eyes, wide eyes, nature made them wise. Built-in superpowers right behind those lies. Nearly 360 degrees, no surprise. Goats stay winning with those odd-looking eyes. So next time you see a goat stare your way, remember those pupils are built to slay. Evolution wrote 'em the perfect guide. That's why goats got those weird eyes. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Gianni's World. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Gianni's World.